Using eDrawings to mark up SolidWorks drawing files is a common workflow when working with Enterprise PDM or when simply viewing SolidWorks drawing files using eDrawings Professional. Markup that is added to a drawing is saved into the file itself, so when opening that same drawing in SolidWorks 2013, we are now shown the new markup detail. The Feature Manager shows all markups, and just like eDrawings, you can quickly zoom to each note for review. All markup tools are supported, from clouds and notes to sketch geometry like rectangles. If you have received a markup file via email and wish to view this with SolidWorks 2013, you can easily insert any eDrawings markup file onto your drawing. Markups from any department can be added, allowing you to see exactly what changes are needed for the design. Once you have completed the requests, the markup can be hidden or removed from the drawing. In SolidWorks 2013, markup doesn't stop here. What if you need to mark a change on the SolidWorks drawing itself? You may need to request a change or point out something important. SolidWorks has a new annotation tool for revision clouds. Quickly draw out square, circular or freehand revision clouds to ensure all changes are easily communicated. For extra control, revision clouds support both line styles and layers. Communicating and understanding changes in SolidWorks 2013 has been improved with these new drawing revisions.